what you want. Hey, 103, you got Big Bull locked up down there and Snake Eyes from around the way? Boy, oh boy. I don't know what are you starting to zoo 103 break?
Alrighty, gatekeeper here. Go ahead and turn this down. Get a nice treat for you right here. Nice treat. This is a flawless, when I mean flawless, this is a flawless Cobra 29 Night Watch LTD Classic. Alrighty, when I received this radio, the only thing it had done to it at all was just a simple peak and tune. That is it. Had about a 4-watt Deadkey, swinging maybe about 14 watts. Alright, let me go through the mods that I've done to this little booger right here. Alright, let's make sure I get them all. Alright, first things first. Threw a 4700 microfarad electrolytic filter cap on the DC input. Help with any transient noise, any unwanted noises from alternators. Anything that can make noise coming through that DC line, it helps to filter that out. Next, I installed my variable voltage Deadkey variable on the RF gain knob right here. Okay, the RF gain knob is the RF power control / Deadkey variable. Alrighty, and also installed a swing kit, meaning the definition of a true swing kit means it does not matter what you Deadkey, you're going to swing the same. To me, that's the definition of an actual swing kit. Alrighty, next modification. I installed a variable Talkback. Let's go ahead and turn this light on. Variable Talkback. You see that knob right there? That is how you control the volume of your Talkback, okay? Variable Talkback. Next is a switch to turn Talkback on and off. Okay, so that switch turns Talkback on and off. Alrighty, next mod that I did was the Schottky Diode receive mod. It's two Schottky diodes. Can't show that to you. I got the covers on right now, but this seemed to have helped a little bit. It seems like maybe the highs aren't as essy, shall I say? Like maybe it ain't as it's not as essy. It's that's about the only way I can explain it. The only flaws that I can see on this radio period. This radio is a brand new radio. It was just used for just a little bit. Well, actually, it wasn't used at all hardly. It was just kind of hanging around my buddy's house. So you got a couple of minor little scratch because it's hard to not keep this right here from getting scratched. I mean, it shows anything. You can just rub your fingernail and it'll show a little scratch amongst this right here. That's why old Mr. Bell CB puts masking tape around that. And that's it, man. Other than that, I mean, there's not a scratch on the front. It's flawless. It's a flawless radio. All right, last but not least, install an echo board. Alrighty. Installed a $40 TRB1 echo board. And man, it worked out very nice. Very pleased with it. The TRB1s cost about $40 still, and the X2s and 3s cost 20 something bucks. But so that's it. Go ahead and let y'all see everything. Everything works good. Put the echo right there on the dimmer. Okay. Now, just in case, since it is a night watch, just in case somebody does want to adjust the dimmer, I did leave the pot inside and I taped it up. Okay. Just in case you might want to get in there, you might want to run that dimmer maybe to the back of the radio somewhere or something if you want to keep it going there, keep it in operation. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start off first by just showing that everything's working properly. Channel 9, 19. Okay. You got your tone switch. I don't really see much need in that, but you got your tone switch. PA, CV switch. Got your filters. Okay. You got your SWR, calibrate. We'll go ahead and calibrate it up. Probably going to get a little bit more. I ain't running no Deadkey. I'm going to turn that Deadkey up a little bit. There we go. Let's get that jigger calibrated right there. Flip it to SWR. We're flat. Alrighty. Alright. Squelch. Takes a little bit to squelch them big boys out on the Super Bowl, but they're squelched out now. Get that thing turned back there. Alright, you got your RF, your mic gain, your dynamite. Okay. Let me first off show you the Deadkey variable. Just turn it all the way down. This is for you fellas running external linears, amplifiers, whatever you want to call it. I'm almost done. Alright, we should have a 0-watt Deadkey. There you go. The reason why I do that all the way down, some of you fellas out there actually like to turn your Deadkey all the way down and turn it up real slow just enough to key an amplifier. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the smoothness of this Deadkey. Try to get this let's having a little bit of problems holding everything. Okay, here we go. This Deadkey, it starts, I mean, there's no dead spot at all. Once you start turning that knob, it starts turning the Deadkey up. Show you, let you see how low you can get it. It's a 1-watt Deadkey. You can ease that thing down to a 0.5-watt Deadkey. Just keep going up. Up to about 5 watts. I'm doing it with my fingernail. If I wasn't, I could show you how smooth it is going up and down. But I'm using my fingernail. So let's put that thing back on about 1 watt. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and show you the output here. Oh, audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test. Oh, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio testing. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Alrighty, about 20, 21 watts. You can go ahead and hear the echo at the same time. Audio testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test. That volume control for that Talkback gets very loud. Very loud. I'll kind of show you just a little bit. We'll turn it up just a little bit right there. Audio testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the loudest Talkback I have ever heard. No squilling, no feedback, nothing. Good, clear audio. That is the loudest talkback I've ever heard. It's a very nice variable talkback circuit. Hadn't seen too many of them done aftermarket, but works wonderfully, wonderfully. Alrighty. Next, I want to let you hear the actual echo going through the air, meaning we got a dummy radio right here. Okay, there's no coax hooked up in the back, as you can see. The speaker ain't hooked up in here either, so I'm going to have to unplug this external speaker and hook it up into the back right here. Alright. So basically, if y'all not familiar with what I'm about to do, this radio is not hooked up to an antenna. So what's going to happen is it's actually going to literally be receiving me from this radio, you know. No different than if you were across town and I'm talking to you. The only difference is there's no antenna plugged up to it. So, it, you know, but it's going to be picking up the RF coming from this radio. So it's not going to be nothing through the wire. So you'll get to hear how the echo sounds actually through the air. All right. Let's turn this on. While we're on over here. All right. All right, let's turn that on right there. Just to show y'all the effect here. Let's turn this off. Okay. We're just hooked up on the radio inside the speaker inside the radio now. Audio test. Let's turn the volume up.
Craigslist.
Audio test.
For 15 million dong. That's a dong is what they're...
Audio testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
US, they put it on there for 15 million dong, which is about 70.
Audio test. Turn the volume up, but I think I turned that volume down. Audio testing. There we go. Alright, audio testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'm going to turn the talkback off, okay? The talkback's about to turn off. I'm going to flip it right. I'm going to flip it right now. Okay, the talkback is turned off, okay? Talkback's turned off. And I'm even going to turn this volume all the way down. So you know we're not hearing no echo in here. This is a big thing. A lot of people want to hear how the echo actually sounds going through the air. That's why I'm doing this. I go to all extra trouble so you know exactly what you're buying. Audio. Okay. Now let's turn this radio on so we can hear what the echo sounds like actually going through the air. Alright, hopefully that ain't up too loud. Alright. It's kind of loud. Let's turn it back down a little bit. Alright, here we go. Audio testing. Audio testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can turn that volume up just a little bit more. Alright. It's squilling. Let's turn it back down. Alright. Audio test. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gatekeeper. This is how it sounds when it's actually going through the air. So if you were on the receiving end, this is how it would sound. Mr. 1883, the gatekeeper. Working with these radios a little bit. Got down, got down, got down. Alrighty. Just wanted to show that to y'all. I think that's going to about do it. Audio testing. Let you know this echo, you can set it to do whatever you want. I just kind of got it set to sound good right now, but you can get all kinds of weird whammy effects out of it. Audio. Audio testing. Echo. Let's turn that volume up a little bit. Audio. Audio test. Audio testing. Echo, echo, echo. Oh, 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 oh. Echo, 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 echo. Alright. Let's let y'all hear that tin can effect. Tin can? Tin can, tin can. Nope. Alright. Let me turn this all the way down. There we go. There's a tin can effect. Kind of tin can / robot. Audio driver. Welcome to planet Earth. Alright. Then of course, you can key and turn it and get, deep voice, low voice. Very nice echo board. I'm very pleased with it. Alright. There you go. Just want to do an extra long video for an extra special radio. I'm proud of it. It's about the first or maybe second real radio I've modified like this, so I ain't scared to admit to it. Hey, like a wise man once told me, you ain't got a lie to kick it. And the gatekeeper said it, and we good, and we are gone.